Hello everyone, welcome you all. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about the common question which is getting from a lot of people, especially for the beginners. So they're asking like where to start my career in software testing and what are the technologies I have to learn as a beginner, right? So in this video, I'm going to discuss about different technologies, where you have to start, what are the things you have to learn. Okay, so to get the career, you start the career in the software testing. Now let's get started. So as a beginner, or if you're a fresher, or you're already working on some different field or domains, non-IT sectors. So if you want to start a career in software testing, so first thing is you have to start learning manual testing concepts. So you should know what is testing, what are the different type of testing you have to conduct, how to conduct those testings, how to write the test cases. So these are all basic things. So you have to learn as part of manual testing, but you don't get the job with the manual testing alone, because nowadays there is a lot of competition is available. So manual testing is alone cannot give you the job. So you have to learn a lot of things, but manual testing is a foundation. So you need to know what is testing and what are the different things you have to test in the application. So you need to start with the manual testing concepts. It is very easy to learn, so you can attend some live trainings, or there are a lot of channels are available in the YouTube, and free videos are available. So you can watch them videos, and you can learn yourself the manual testing topics. And along with this manual testing, you should also know the what is the process, testing process is going on in the companies. So like agile process, right? So previously we have waterfall model, iterative models, but nowadays all the companies are following the agile process. So you need to know the process also, how we can automate that process, how things will happen in the companies. You have to know that. So all these things will be part of your manual testing. And there is a tool called Jira. So like previously we have a quality ALM, quality center ALM, and nowadays people are using Jira as a tool, and which can automate the complete process from the beginning, like defining the requirements, okay, and estimation, identifying the scenarios, writing the test cases, creating the stories, and updating the statuses. All these activities will be done using Jira tool. So this is very popular tool in the currently in the market. So you have to start learning with these two. So manual testing concept along with the Jira tool. How to use the Jira tool, you have to know that. And then you need also very SQL commands, like how we can work with the databases, like it can be Oracle or SQL Server, or it can be any database. You should have the database skills. How we can query the data in the tables, like a DML command, DDL, DCL. So there are a lot of commands are available. So we can learn easily and very simple language. And you have the skills on. You should have the skills on SQL, like how to write the simple queries, how to write the joins and subqueries, how can retrieve the data from the tables, and this is very much required. Okay, these are all very basic skills, manual testing and Jira and SQL. And then you have to learn the automation. So because even manual testing, SQL is a just groundwork you have to do, but these things will not give you the job. So you should have the additional skills. And then you have to start learning a UI automation. So UI means user interface automation, like any web-based applications, you can automate them. So there are a number of tools are available in the market, but especially nowadays people are preferring to use open source tools. So now the current era is completely open source. So Selenium is a very best and very popular open source automation tool is available currently. And Selenium again, if you want to work with Selenium, and if you want to learn Selenium is a language, Selenium is an automation tool. You have to know the some programming skill. Like you need to know either Python or you need to know the Java. So certain programming skill is mandatory required, because nowadays tester also require the programming language or programming skills people are expecting. So that's the reason before going to learn any automation, you should also learn the programming language, either Java or Python, then start learning with the Selenium automation. This is a tool which we can use it for UI automation. Okay, and this particular combination, once you learn this combination, now you are ready to apply for the job. So this is the first combination. So manual testing, Jira, as well as SQL, and then learn the UI testing with the Selenium. And here Selenium is either Java or Python. Okay, anything is preferable. So either you can go for Java combination or you can go for Python combination. And once you learn this combination and practice it, do some projects, and then you can start searching for the jobs in the market. Okay. And then if you still want to learn something else which will added advantage for your skill set, then go for either mobile testing or API or web services testing. And if you are very strong in the SQL or databases, then you can go for either ETL or big data testing. And if you're strong in UI automation like Selenium, then you can go for either API testing or mobile testing, because nowadays companies are directly testing the APIs. APIs are the backend systems. API as well as big data, ETL, these are all backend systems. Okay, testing the backend servers. So go for first, once we learn the Selenium, then go for either API or web services testing. And SOAP UI is a very popular tool which is available to test the APIs. And REST Assured is again another API which will provide you the automating the APIs, test automation. So you can do automating automation, test automation of APIs by using REST Assured API. So these two you can learn, which is our part of API testing or web services testing. And if you are really interested on mobile devices or testing mobile devices, then you go for mobile testing. So Appium is another automation tool is available. So we can go for Appium and can learn Appium, then you can automate the mobile apps. So all the apps we can test them using automation. That's a mobile testing. And if you are very strong in the SQL part or databases writing queries, and then you can go for ETL part. Like ETL testing is a very basic, and then go for big data testing. Like nowadays, big data or Adobe is very popular ones. People are expecting skills on big data technologies like Hive or Pig and Scoop, okay, Scala or Spark. So these are all different technologies are available as part of Hadoop or big data. So we can go for those technologies. Okay, testing is there for everywhere. So in any kind of domain, testing is already there. But nowadays, the manual testing alone is not enough. So you have to, you should have the other skills along with the manual testing skills. All right. So first, let's start with the Selenium automation. Okay. So then start searching the jobs, and then you can grow in the career by learning API or web service testing, or you can go for mobile testing, or you can go for ETL or big data testing. So as a beginner, as a fresher, what I can suggest you is go for the manual testing, SQL, and then you can learn these technologies very easily nowadays, because there are a lot of channels are available in the YouTube. Even I have uploaded a lot of videos on my channel. You can freely watch those videos and then yourself. You don't need to attend any live trainings. Okay, so you can just go through those videos and you can easily learn yourself manual testing and SQL concepts. And Selenium you have to learn in deeper. So I have uploaded demo videos and very basic videos on YouTube regarding Selenium. Okay, so but if you want to learn the complete end-to-end Selenium with Java, including the project, you can just attend the live training I'm connecting. And then API or web services testing is also very popular. So if you're already working on testing domain, or if you have some experience on UI automation, then you can go and start learning API or web services testing. I will also provide a live training on API web services testing using SOAP UI and REST Assured. And also you can go for, if you are interested in mobile devices, then you can go for mobile testing. Or if you are good in SQL or data, and then you can go for ETL big data testing. So but ETL and big data testing, people are expecting some experience. Okay, so as a fresher it is a little difficult to get a job in ETL and big data testing, because some experienced people will be preferred in this particular area. Okay, all right, guys. I hope this video is very helpful to you. So please subscribe my channel to get more updates on this. Thank you all. Thanks for watching this.